So, this is the pilot episode of our podcast, which is not named yet. So, today we're gonna
Which is
talk,
called what?
which is not named yet.
Oh, which isn't named yet.
Yeah,
Okay, so the pilot is anonymous, yeah.
yeah,
Just like
anonymous.
it should be.
Yeah. So, today we have decided we're gonna talk about Marvel. So, so I was pretty young when Marvel started. So, it was 2008. I was just 7 years old. But
Oh, you must, yeah, yeah. You used to be really cute back then.
yeah, I saw my first Marvel movie when I was like 9 or 10 on a DVD. It was Iron Man. And I didn't knew what Marvel was, what Iron Man was, but I enjoyed that movie. Like that's what Marvel is. No matter what's your age, what you know about it, you will enjoy it.
Totally, I completely agree.
Yeah. What was the first
So,
Marvel movie you saw?
the first Marvel movie that I saw was Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Okay.
When?
And since you just said that, like, you were like 8 years old when you watched that, when I watched this movie, it came out in 2008. I was 19. I was 19 back. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I wasn't aware that there is this thing called Marvel MCU, Marvel Comic Universe.
Yeah.
Okay, I just watched that movie, and because back then I had just started watching Hollywood films, right? Maybe 3-4 years ago. So I was into that stuff. I used to like everything about their movies, their action, and all of that.
Yeah.
When I watched Iron Man, I just fell in love with this guy, Robert Downey Jr.
Yeah.
I did not like the superhero kind of stuff as
Yeah.
much as I like the guy himself, his attitude.
Yeah. That's the thing. Like he wasn't playing a character; he was being himself, basically.
He was being himself,
Yeah. It was very
precisely. I
effortless.
mean, you see him in a movie like Due Date,
Yeah.
which is a
Yeah. Yeah.
comedy,
Yeah. I
right?
know that.
Came out probably in
Ni-
2014-15.
Yeah.
In that movie also, I mean, the only thing that he doesn't have
Hmm.
is that suit. All right.
Yeah.
His attitude is exactly the same.
Yeah.
So, like you
Yeah.
rightly said, he was playing himself, and
Yeah.
that's why he did it. By the way, did you hear this that earlier they were planning to cast Tom Cruise as
Yeah.
Iron
Yeah.
Man?
Yeah. I've heard things. Yeah.
I'm glad that that
Didn't
didn't
happen.
happen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Not like I don't like Tom Cruise,
No,
but
Robert Downey is Tony Stark. That's it.
precisely,
Yeah,
it's like he took that character
yeah.
and he became that person.
You know the
That
movie he did before that was?
I think it was Tropic Thunder.
Yeah,
Oh my God! Like,
that
trust me,
movie.
you know what? Oh, have you watched that one?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
I
I've
I
seen
watched it.
bits. I've seen bits, not the entire film.
I watched that movie like long after Iron Man
Yeah,
came. Okay, and the way he has put makeup on
the
himself, they
blackface.
made.
Yeah,
Oh God, I felt like, okay, I
so
can't
wrong.
believe this is Robert Downey Jr. But
Yeah,
yeah, it was fun. It was slapstick comedy.
yeah.
So yeah, but it was fun. But and then I believe after that the second movie
Incredible
that came
Hulk.
out, The Incredible
The
Hulk.
with Ed Norton. Imagine,
Uh,
imagine. Wait. You know, right? The first Iron Man, the guy who played Tony's friend, he left
mhm.
for the second one because of ego clash and shit.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, I know
And
that.
Ed Norton also left after the Incredible Hulk. Now
Uh-huh.
imagine those guys sitting right now in 2021, missing out on one of the biggest franchises of all time in the
Precisely,
humanity.
precisely. I mean, I completely understand this
Yeah.
because this guy, who's the other guy who plays?
Don Cheadle.
No, 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 no.
Uh,
The guy who plays Hulk.
oh,
What's his name?
Mark Ruffalo. Mark Ruffalo.
Mark Ruffalo,
Yeah.
right? Mark Ruffalo. It's not that he's a bad actor. He's a good actor. But it's just that when I watched the second franchise, I was like, dude, wasn't this guy supposed to be Ed Norton?
Yeah.
How is it that where did this come from? Okay,
Yeah.
so
Well, Ed Norton is not like a guy who would like follow Marvel rules. He wants his creative
yeah,
freedom.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the thing.
He wants his creative freedom, and he
Yeah,
doesn't want to be typecasted as a
yeah,
particular
yeah.
uh,
Well, I
character.
saw
Like,
episode of Joe Rogan Experience of Ed Norton.
hmm
Joe Rogan
hmm
asked this, ki, do you feel regret and this? He said no, because I have my
no, no, he's
rules.
not. He's
Yeah,
not the kind of guy who regrets.
yeah,
Okay, so yeah, about Hulk, I enjoyed it more because of obviously Hulk smash.
yeah.
All right, so
Well, well,
all
well.
those
You know
scenes.
who Kevin Feige is, right?
Yeah,
He
I
is
know
the
him.
Well, Kevin Feige was right. The first rule of MCU is you don't talk about MCU.
That's a good rule.
Yeah,
I
continue.
believe
You're talking about Hulk smash,
no,
like
like
Hulk.
so any of those scenes where this guy just jumps and
Yeah,
flies in the sky,
yeah,
smashing things all over,
yeah,
the sheer strength that the person has.
bro.
Okay,
Yeah,
there's one scene that I just cannot forget from Hulk.
the punch
From the
one. He's
the
punched the big ass
punches.
thing.
Oh, that is
Next level.
that is.
Yeah.
But I'm talking about the very first movie, I believe, where
In 2003,
not the one in
Ang
2003,
Lee.
that perhaps the one. Yeah, the Ang Lee one.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
that's
talking about.
2003.
Remember, there's
That's
this
not
scene
MCU
where
though. Yeah,
it's not
yeah, yeah,
MCU, but I'm
yeah,
just
yeah,
making
yeah,
a digression
yeah,
and
yeah,
talking about
yeah,
this. So there's the scene where this guy is obsessed with Hulk and wants to have the same kind of powers that Hulk
yeah,
has, right?
yeah,
And Hulk has been, because Hulk knows that this is more of a burden than an
yeah.
actual
It's a
power. Okay,
curse.
it's a curse. That's what it is. So
Frankenstein.
there's this scene where it's like, you want this,
Yeah,
take it on.
yeah. In the
Okay,
ending, yeah, yeah, yeah. His father,
so yeah,
Energy Man.
this became a kind of
Yeah,
a cliche thing
yeah.
that we would say
Well,
to friends.
well,
Like,
if you think about Hulk and the journey in movies, well,
mm,
he started with a monster. In second one, he was also a savage monster. Then
uh-huh.
slowly, he's became more human and more like a
They
teddy
started
bear.
humanizing him.
Yeah,
Yes, the cute giant,
yeah, cute giant. In
the
Ragnarok,
sweet
he was
giant.
like a
That's what they.
toddler. In Endgame, he's
Uh-huh.
like a smart guy.
Hmm. Yeah. And
And
like in
if you
Endgame,
compare him to the
he seems to
comics,
be
yeah,
the. He seems to be in Endgame. He seems to be the guy who's most sorted.
yeah,
Okay,
he's
who's
completed
figured
his character
everything out.
arc.
All right,
Yeah,
like in Endgame when the movie begins
yeah,
and Thor has lost his shit. All
yeah,
right,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
it was kind of crazy to see Hulk calming him
Yeah,
down and
Hulk
just
getting
like
his ass
Hulk is in
beaten
that
in the
Zen
first scene
mode.
of the end game. It was like,
Yeah,
okay, he got his ass beaten, nobody is safe.
nobody is safe precisely.
Thor
But I think
Thor got his ass beaten, Hulk got his ass beaten, Loki died.
Loki died, and this time it was
Yeah,
no more resurrections.
yeah. No, it
So
was. Haven't you seen Loki
now that
on Disney Plus?
series, obviously,
Yeah.
that series. But have you finished that?
Yeah, I
Have you
have.
finished that?
It's an alternative timeline, I know that.
I know.
Yeah.
I've started watching that. I actually haven't finished this.
No.
I believe, but when I'm watching this, there's this scene. There's probably in the second episode
Yeah.
where Loki gets to see the future, like
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
He
Yeah, yeah.
gets it
Everything which happened in
documented.
his life.
Ah,
Yeah.
so when I saw that, I realized there is no way that a guy as shrewd and clever as Loki
Yeah.
has seen that what's going to happen and still is not going to do something about it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe.
so
Yeah.
obviously he must have, maybe there's
Yeah.
something that lies in store for me when I finish that. Actually, I took a trip,
Yeah.
so I couldn't finish that right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let me ask you.
Yeah.
Um, I believe after Iron Man and Hulk came
Iron Man 2.
Captain America.
Iron Man 2.
Okay,
I
so
know that in
I might be.
chronological order, every single movie.
Yeah. Okay, so Iron Man 2, where
It was
this
very
guy,
average. It was
Mickey
just setting
Rourke,
up the
it
MCU.
was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just setting up the MCU. Mickey
Yeah.
Rourke was the.
Yeah.
I believe he was the
He
most.
that talent was wasted, bro, in that movie.
That talent was wasted.
When I saw
mean,
Iron Man 2, I was like, who is this guy? I don't care. When I saw his other work, I was like, holy
no.
shit.
Mickey Rourke is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. That's why I felt like this guy has been wasted.
Yeah.
And he's not been given any strength. It's just
Yeah.
got this lightning bolt and then
Yeah,
shut.
yeah.
What the hell is this? Like,
That's a Marvel problem actually. Like the villain is hero but evil. Same powers but evil. That happened in
well,
almost every single Marvel movie. And the best Marvel villains are who are very different from their heroes.
precisely. See, there's a
Yeah.
reason why. I believe there's a reason why this happens.
Yeah.
It's because these guys are already superheroes, right?
Hmm.
If you, match them up with villains who are just average,
Yeah.
it's not going to work out, right? You
Yeah.
have to create characters who are
Mm,
far
No,
more
no.
fun
The
and
best
interesting.
superhero stories are those when villains are like for
Human.
example Joker. Take Joker.
Oh,
Batman can
Joker,
beat the shit out of him anytime, but the mental games.
we need to do a podcast for
Yeah, on the trilogy, of
Nolan's.
course.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
Nolan's.
Yeah, of course.
Batman trilogy.
Of course.
Oh my god,
This is gonna be a movie podcast now. We found our niche.
We found our niche.
Yeah.
Yes. So the second movie, I believe we talked about it as much as it needed attention. I don't think it needs any more attention.
Yeah.
Didn't Captain America come out after that? The
No,
first part?
Thor was after that, the first one.
Thor came out before Captain America.
Yeah, then Captain America, then the first Avengers.
Okay, so I don't know about you, but I've always had this soft corner for Thor.
Yeah,
Like I
Hemsworth.
liked him, yeah, because yeah, this
I,
guy
I,
is
I, to
basically
be
God,
honest, yeah,
right?
I didn't like Thor till Ragnarok. No cap.
So obviously Thor was a more uptight kind
Yeah,
of boring kind of character earlier, right?
Yeah,
But just a second.
yeah. He
Okay,
was he
so
was the god amongst like other gods, so it was not relatable. You can say.
Mhm.
Yeah.
No, but there's this scene that I really love about. I believe
Another.
it's in the first Avenger,
Okay. Yeah.
first Avenger movie.
Yeah.
Uh, where there's this fight that happens between Captain America, Thor.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, yeah. Oh my
Uh,
god, oh my god.
And bro, you know that scene carry out throughout the Avengers movies. Like in Avenger 2, they use the same
Yes,
combo.
yes.
In fucking Endgame, they use the combo against the when Captain America hold the hammer and through his shield and make the shockwave.
I I don't know how to whistle.
Yeah.
I'm not good at it.
Yeah,
But in that scene where Captain America picks
yeah.
the hammer and he's got his shield,
That
oh my
that
god,
give me chills every
it just
time.
gave me
Yeah,
it gave me chills. Okay,
yeah,
that was amazing.
sure.
Yeah. So before we move ahead, I have a question to ask, and I think we should have started with this.
Yeah,
But yeah, what the hell?
yeah.
Like, who's your favorite Avenger?
Oh, that's a very difficult question, I would say. Well, it has to be either Iron Man or Captain America.
Iron Man or Captain America?
Yeah. Well,
See,
yeah,
I know the reasons for why you would
yeah,
consider Iron Man as your favorite.
yeah.
You need to give me reasons for why Captain America is your favorite.
Captain America, bro. See, the thing I love about Captain America and Iron Man, because actually they are very yin yang if you think about it. Captain and Iron Man.
Yeah,
Their
yeah,
arc
they are.
started with in the first movie they fought about like Iron Man said there's nothing special about you. You came out of a lab, okay? And Cap said you are
And
just
he
an
said,
asshole and egotistical guy. You will never sacrifice your life for anyone.
take
Until
off
the
the
end
suit
of the
and
thing,
you are.
yeah, till the end of the thing, Iron Man sacrificed his life, and Captain America picked up the hammer of gods, for which you have to be worthy.
Yeah,
That was great.
both
That
of
was a
them.
parallel going on throughout the MCU.
That's what I like about Marvel Universe. It's a complete.
It's an
drama.
ongoing story.
It's an ongoing story and it's
Yeah.
a complete drama. There's
Yeah.
humor.
Yeah.
There's romance.
It's pretty
also.
much
There's some
masala.
sort-
Yeah, yeah.
It's masala.
Yeah.
Okay, that is where I believe DC, the movies that
Yeah.
this
The
guy
good ones or
Zack
the bad
Snyder
ones?
makes. The bad. The good ones I believe have a. I'm a huge fan
Yeah.
of.
They are
Batman
not
as
just
well.
good superhero movies, they are good movies.
They're good movies.
Yeah.
You take
Sure.
out the superhero stuff,
Yeah.
and it'll still be an amazing.
Well, if you think about it, Joker has nothing to do with superheroes. The Joker movie. It was just a normal movie about a psycho guy. Nothing else.
When I watched, I remember I watched Joker with.
I saw the
Gaurav.
premiere.
Okay,
Yeah.
he called me up and he said like I've got a ticket for you as well.
Yeah.
I said fine, let's go.
Yeah.
The last scene
Hmm.
where after that accident they take him out,
Yeah.
they put him on the bonnet, and then he wakes up and it does this. Oh my god!
I know.
And that orchestra playing in
I
the
know.
background.
Crazy.
I am not the kind of guy who usually wakes up after a movie and then starts clapping.
Yeah, the entire.
But
My
that
theater
movie-
also did that.
That movie,
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
felt like after watching that drama, it was what was the runtime like? Maybe 2.5 hours. right?
Yeah, yeah.
Throughout that movie, there's a trajectory
Yeah.
that this man's character has taken.
Yeah.
Before rising and before becoming that maniac
Yeah.
Joker that he becomes.
Yeah.
He's an absolutely he's a guy who you can walk by and wouldn't even notice twice, right?
Yes, that's the
And he's
scary
happy
part.
being like that.
That's the scary part.
That's the
Yeah.
but there's so much pent up in him,
Yeah.
and when he the final cue for him to
Yeah.
lose it
That.
is when he
Yeah.
finds out that his mother's
Yeah.
dead, and
Yeah.
whatever was told about
Yeah.
this particular guy being his father is
Yeah.
a lie.
Yeah.
it is then that is like, okay, fine, that's
Yeah.
it. I do not have anybody to hold me
Well, we
back
can
now.
do, you know, an whole episode on Joker because I was really like intrigued by the Joker and I know a lot of theories and things about that movie in detail.
We can do that as well.
Yeah.
But the second podcast will have to be about Batman trilogy,
Okay, sure.
Nolan's trilogy.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
In fact, we can do a whole set of
Every
episodes
individual
about
movie.
Nolan movies.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
we can
Yeah.
separately talk about Interstellar. We
Memento.
can talk
Yeah.
about Memento. We can talk
Yeah.
about Inception.
Inception.
Oh God, these movies are.
Sure.
And when you talk about Interstellar and stuff like that,
Interstellar. Yeah. We are getting off track actually. Let's come back to
we
Marvel
are,
right
we
now.
are, yeah. Sorry, guys, we are getting off track.
Yeah.
But coming back to the track, so
Yeah.
Captain America was your favorite, right? And
Yeah.
Iron Man.
Yeah.
My favorite was Thor.
Oh.
I do not have any explanation to give for that. It's just for
Yeah.
the flair of that guy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, he's a
all right.
god.
Yeah, he's a god, yeah,
Yeah.
right? So maybe I aspire to that kind of
Yeah.
godhood, and that's
Yeah.
why I like him.
Hmm.
No, I don't aspire to godhood.
It's just the physique of the man,
Yeah,
Chris
yeah,
Hemsworth.
man. Okay. The other character, the Avenger that I like, was
Yeah.
Captain Strange. Sorry, Doctor
Doctor
Strange.
Strange, yeah. He is
Oh,
one of the
that-
strongest actually, if you think about it.
I don't think anybody could have pulled up Doctor Strange as
Yeah.
well as
Benedict
guy.
Cumberbatch.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
You know, there's an entire website of name generator for Benedict. Benedict Cumber Poop, Benedict Cumber Stash.
Oh God, but he's a really cool guy. He's
Yeah,
also
yeah.
another guy
Yeah,
who, when he acts, his acting is somehow always similar,
yeah.
but it just
It's very
the
calm.
script-
It's very natural.
It's very calm. It's
Yeah.
very natural. I believe good actors these days are those actors
Yeah.
who are themselves on the screen.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, there was a time when there was this school of thought that
Yeah.
that you
Frankly,
have to be a
Mateo,
perfectionist.
ask me if I
Uh-huh.
give a damn. Yeah. You are playing a live drama or in front of a camera basically. There was an era.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now that has changed.
Now, yeah. Now it's like you have to play like real people. Like, you know what the difference in average actors and good actors is, according to me? Average actors play out a scene, say their dialogues. Good actors be the character and react to other situations, react to other people.
Yes. One such actor would be and is not no
Irfan.
one connected to the Marvel universe is Irfan.
Yeah.
And Irfan has been
Yeah.
doing this since the time when this was not even considered acting.
Yeah.
When people used to be thrown off here, ये बंदा कैसे act करता
वही,
है ना?
it's-
मतलब
yeah.
ऐसे ही आके dialogue बोल के निकल जाता है.
Why?
Right.
Unreal.
But he's been doing that since that time.
Yeah.
So yeah.
He and KK
Doctor
Menon, I
Strange
would
is-
argue in India. KK Menon is also on the
KK
same
Man,
level.
obviously. See, KK
When you
Menon
watch
is
Shaurya's
KK
ending, you
Menon.
get chills, bro.
Jack Nicholson.
Oh, Oh, he was also a Joker. How we
He
forgot
was
about
a Joker as well. Yes, I mean,
Yeah.
if you, I'm sure you must have heard of this, but
Yeah.
I'm still reiterating this.
Yeah.
That before portraying Joker in Nolan's Dark Knight,
Yeah.
um,
He locked himself in a hotel room. Yeah, for
Yes,
20
and
20
he-
days.
he had this in his mind that I'm going to play Joker my own way.
Yeah.
But still, you need to have some perspective. You need to understand
Yeah.
the character, right? And for that, he picked up those comic books. And the only the only actor who played Joker, that was Jack Nicholson's Joker, he saw that.
There was another Joker in the 60s, but let's not talk about it. The Adam
Yeah,
West
yeah,
era.
let's-
Yeah.
no, let's not.
Holy bats, Batman.
do you know that one of the villains in the 90s Batman series was Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Yeah, the ice guy.
He played the Penguin.
Penguin, yeah,
He
ice
played the
guy.
Penguin.
Yeah. And in that movie,
What the
they
hell is
also had
this?
Jim Carrey as the Riddler.
Yes,
What?
such great actors
Wasted, yeah.
being wasted.
Yeah.
I guess
Well, Arnie is not a great actor, but he's fun to watch.
but it's fun to watch,
Yeah.
right? I mean, I'm not considering him a great actor.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's fun
Well,
to
Carrey is. Oh, let's get
You
back
know
to
what?
Marvel again.
Yes, we must.
Yeah.
Okay, so Thor, the first movie I watched was, I believe, in the year 2011. Okay.
Okay. You saw that in
And,
theater?
No, that one I couldn't watch in the theater.
Yeah.
Actually, I was at a friend's place and
Yeah.
he had this.
That was the
huge
DVD
laptop.
era.
Yeah, that was the
Yeah.
DVD era.
Yeah.
No, but torrent आ गया था भाई.
हाँ torrent
So
आ गया
this
था.
guy,
I was a kid, so I didn't have
he
torrent.
was a big time movie buff.
Okay.
तो जो भी फिल्म आती थी,
Yeah.
जिस दिन उसका torrent आया,
बस खत्म.
this guy used to download
Yeah.
it. Okay. So I was just at his place and he was probably away. He was with his girlfriend or something.
Yeah.
So I just took out his laptop and started browsing, and,
Yeah, yeah.
and I found Thor. Okay. So
Yeah.
I was like, okay, fine. Let's just watch this.
Yeah.
And then when it began,
Hmm.
and when they show the whole place,
Yeah. Asgard.
Asgard.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's beautiful.
Oh, it's amazing. The
Yeah.
build-up is good.
Yeah.
And then when this guy comes to, like, one moment you're God,
Yeah.
and then when you come to Earth,
Yeah, you're
there's
human.
this 20
Fish,
something
fish
years
out of the
old-
water. Yeah.
Exactly. And nobody is taking him seriously.
Yeah.
And you know, Thor's character has also grown.
A lot.
Okay. It
Well,
has
when,
grown a
when we
lot.
come to Ragnarok, I have an interesting, really analysis to tell about
Yeah,
this.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So in the first part, he used to feel so privileged, and he used to get annoyed that people
Yeah.
are not giving me the kind of
Yeah.
attention.
Well,
I
he's
deserve.
1500 years old and lived as a king, so can't blame the guy.
And has killed twice as many men.
Yeah.
So his reality check moment comes
Yeah.
when he finds out that the hammer is lying somewhere over there.
Yeah,
He
I
has to
can't
go
pick it up. Yeah.
And he is unable to pick
And
it
the
up. That's
thing
when
is,
he
why
realizes,
he's
"Fuck, I'm
unable
not
is
able to
because
do
he's
it."
unworthy.
He's unworthy. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why I said, no,
Yeah.
the reality
Yeah.
check moment. And then, you know, he doesn't have his hammer. So Thor without his hammer is like, what?
Yeah.
And then he gradually, you know, he after that reality check moment, he kind of gets into, he does some introspection, okay?
Yeah.
And then towards the end, when he fights that huge guy, it is then that help comes
Yeah. Yeah.
for
Yeah.
him, right? So yeah, and then I also like the kind of chemistry that there was between Natalie Portman and
Yeah.
because
Well,
you know,
I didn't
have,
like Thor 1 to be
I
honest.
I have a confession to make.
Yeah.
The movie was pretty average, let me tell you.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I have a very soft corner for Natalie Portman.
Oh,
She's one of my favorite actors,
Oh.
and that's why you know, even if this movie were shit,
Yeah.
I would have still watched it for Natalie Portman.
Yeah. That's
Alright.
great.
So, and I believe थॉर के ऊपर भी नैटली का वही नशा है.
Yeah.
वो ऊपर से भी देखते रहता है.
Yeah. That's very
Angle
creepy
बोलता है,
actually if you think
"कहाँ है
about
मेरा
it.
दिखाओ?" It's kind of exactly.
Yeah.
ये लोग angle ले बता भाई कहाँ है अभी वो.
Yeah. Well, you think about it कि होता है ना कि parents compare you from your siblings, right? Well, think about Liam Hemsworth. What his life is like.
Oh God, man.
भाई क्रिस को देखो MCU में थॉर बना फिर रहा है, तू क्या कर रहा है इधर?
कुछ नहीं कर रहा है.
वही.
आए तो था थोड़ी देर के लिए उसमें.
हाँ.
What's that? पूरा जो वो शो था, Hunger Games.
Yeah, Hunger Games. Yeah.
Hunger Games में भी this guy started out as the boyfriend of
Yeah.
the lead,
Yeah.
and then you know he was
He fucked up. Yeah.
shooed away.
Yeah.
Right. So
Crazy.
कोई comparison नहीं है.
Yeah.
In fact, I was kind of surprised when I found out कि अच्छा ये
Yeah.
Chris Hemsworth का भाई है.
वही.
And then I started like हाँ थोड़ी similarities.
Yeah,
तो है.
similarities. Yeah.
एक इधर है दूसरा इधर है कहीं कोई comparison.
Okay, now coming to 2011. This is the time when Captain America hits the theater. And this was one of my favorite movies for a long time in the MCU. Yeah.
You like with Captain America.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, you remember in Endgame,
Yeah.
the villain from Captain America,
Yeah, the Red Skull, yeah.
the Red Skull, right? This guy, how does he get there?
It was
I
the
didn't get
space
that.
stone, you remember? The Tesseract had the space code
Right,
in it.
I remember at the
So he
end of the first
teleported
movie.
by using the space stone accidentally.
Ah,
The
okay,
space
and
stone
that's where
teleported
he-
him to guard that stone. Yeah.
All right, okay. I remember that he kind of,
Yeah.
in the end of the first movie,
Yeah.
he kind of started flying into the sky.
Yeah.
With a, yeah.
Yeah.
But I believe that was some sort of it was a curse, right? It
Yeah.
was a curse. for
It was a
him.
curse.
Because he said that I can guard the stone, but I can
Yeah.
never take it.
Yeah.
Right. But again, we are getting ahead of ourselves.
Yeah.
My favorite Captain America movie
Yeah.
would be
Civil War?
Civil War.
Oh.
No, wait. That is not technically just a Captain America.
That's Avenger
Although-
2.5.
That, yeah, it is a
Yeah.
Avenger 2.5.
Yeah.
My
Winter
favorite,
Soldier.
just Winter Soldier. I
Bro,
was
it's
blown
one of
away.
the best movies in MCU, to be honest. Like
I
it's
was
it's it's a
blown
spice
away,
thriller.
and I wasn't blown away with Captain America.
Yeah.
I was blown away with the Winter Soldier,
Oh.
Bucky.
My favorite part was like, if you think about it, like,
Uh-huh.
okay, Shield is a frictional organization, but there are real organizations out there who are doing stuff like that, spying on all of us, and ready to take any one of us down anytime if
True,
we speak
man.
against them.
Look,
Yeah.
as far as you're talking about that, we can do a separate podcast on this. Previously, in the
We,
age
we, we
of
can call
internet.
Edward Snowden on a
Mm.
Google Meet call. I hope he replies to
Yes,
my mails.
yes. You know what?
Yeah.
I'll also write mails with you. I'll tell him that I am a
Yeah.
Delhi University
Yeah.
assistant professor.
Yeah.
Maybe that will throw him some weight, right?
Yeah.
If he comes to our
Imagine if Ed Snowden one day come on the podcast.
oh,
Holy shit.
dude, we'll become
Well, my
huge
PC,
after
my
that.
entire data will be
Yeah.
compromised for starters.
Enough daydreaming on the very
Yeah.
first day of the podcast. Let's get back to reality.
Yeah,
We can
so
do a podcast
Captain
on,
America, what you remember about it, what you liked about it, the first one.
the first one.
Yeah.
You know, in the first part, the journey of him becoming Captain America
Yeah.
to me was the most amazing part.
Yeah.
उसके बाद तो क्या है?
उसके
वो
बाद
इधर
it's
जाके लड़ रहा है,
nothing.
उधर जाके-
उसके बाद,
हाँ,
you
it's
know, actually they wasted the movie because, you know, there was an entire montage of wars where he gone and destroys
हाँ,
stuff.
yeah. I didn't like that
could
stuff,
be
यार.
a whole movie of its own, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It could have been a movie.
Yeah.
Where he is just fighting normal.
Yeah,
villains.
yeah.
But,
that
you
can be
know,
another
the odds
movie.
are
Yeah.
stacked.
They made that a
against
fucking
him.
montage.
मतलब इधर से जाके उसको उधर से और ये फ्लैग के साथ खड़ा है,
Yeah.
फोटो खिंचवा रहे, क्या चल रहा है?
That would be crazy, an entire movie of that. I would love to see that one day.
Why don't you like
Yeah.
maybe the next time, because they've already started another Marvel universe, right?
No, it's a phase. They've started another phase actually.
Yeah, the other phase.
Yeah.
Obviously, some of the actors from the universe will remain,
Yeah.
but Tony Stark and
Those big guns are not coming back, bro.
they're gone,
Yeah.
right? So
Maybe a cameo or two in something, little one, nothing else.
So, with Captain America, I like that part though.
Yeah.
You know, this guy, this lean, lanky, you know, short-heighted fellow.
But he had the will of the
but
Superman.
He had this zeal, this will that, you know. He even says this to.
I can
Iron
do
Man
this
in
all
one-
day.
and- yeah, no. Like, that is amazing when
Yeah.
he says, "I can do this all day."
Yeah.
The sheer grit of Captain America.
Yeah.
That's something that
Yeah.
you know. That is why everybody respects him. No,
Yeah.
everybody in the group, even people like Thor,
Yeah.
they respect and listen to him.
Yeah.
But so yeah, getting to the second Captain America movie,
No, then Avengers comes.
then comes the Avengers. The
Yeah.
first part.
2012.
Oh God, how can I forget that?
Yeah, I saw that in the
Uh-huh.
theater. That was my first movie in theater of Marvel.
Okay,
Yeah.
and how was the experience?
Well, it was also my first time watching in 3D any movie. So I vividly
Okay.
remember one scene particularly. You know when first time Hulk transforms and he's chasing Black Widow through a hallway kind thing of
Yes,
tubes.
yes. You felt like it's coming
Yeah.
on to you, right?
And I was like 11, so it was mind blowing to me. Like,
I enjoyed seeing Loki as the main villain there.
oh yeah,
Okay.
for sure. That was the last time
And-
he was a badass.
He was a badass.
Yeah.
Yeah, उसके बाद और in fact उसी
Yeah.
फिल्म के end में उसकी badass गिरी निकाल
वही puny god.
Puny God. It's a scene
Yeah.
that you know that it had
Yeah.
it
Well,
had a vibe.
when I saw that movie, I didn't knew Loki was a god. Okay? I was 11, so I thought he was a human. So when the Hulk did that to him, I thought he died. This guy is
Yeah.
gone.
Oh my God! After that,
Yeah.
whenever Hulk was around,
Yeah.
Loki was never comfortable.
Yeah. Even in
Loki
Ragnarok.
used to be shit scared
Yeah.
when Hulk was around.
Yeah.
So, the first Avenger movie, I mean, the fact that they all came together, this was going to be huge. This was going to be huge because Marvel had been doing
Yeah.
consistently well
Yeah.
with single outings of a particular superhero.
Yeah.
This being now by 2012, they're already spent 5 years.
Yeah.
On
To
TV,
building
right?
up the thing. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
what
so
DC missed out on.
That's
They
what
did
DC did.
Superman, then they were like, okay, now bring Wonder Woman, Batman, and also set up the Justice League with some video footages. That's it.
what what the MCU did
Yeah.
was,
They
they
took the time.
built,
Yeah.
they took a complete decade here. They
Yeah.
took a decade
Yeah.
to work on this thing,
Yeah.
and took their time.
Yeah.
All the superheroes, big,
Yeah.
small, all of those heroes
Yeah.
were given sufficient amount of
Yeah.
uh,
Time, screen time.
and
Yeah.
importance, screen
Yeah.
time. So we could kind of relate with all of them. We
Yeah.
knew about their
We
strengths,
know
we
about
knew
them,
about
ki how they gonna react to a
uh,
particular
how they
situation. Yeah.
exactly. So when you find them in a situation that is kind of tense, oh
Yeah.
my god, let's see how he's going to
Yeah.
react to this.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
We
And
all knew
obviously,
Tony is gonna tell a joke, Cap is gonna be
uh,
serious with a plan, Thor is like, okay, I'm gonna do it alone. Hulk be like, ki I'm already there. Let's smash. Yeah.
and let's not forget the fight between
Yeah.
Hulk
Hey,
and
we forgot one thing completely. If we are talking about Marvel, how can we not talk about post-credit scenes?
oh god, oh
Oh.
god.
They started the
You know
trend.
what?
Yeah.
They started the trend of
Yeah.
post credits. In
Yeah.
fact, we can have a minor session on the
Yeah.
post credits from all the.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
But if you have a particular in mind, we can talk about that, right?
No, because I thought about post credits right now because when Thanos was introduced in
Yes,
2012's post credit scene.
post credit scene.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was sitting on that.
Yeah.
that
Only like a couple of people in the theater were like, I know this guy. All the other people like, ये कौन है अब?
who is this guy,
Yeah.
right? Because we felt कि अरे इतना बड़ा इतने
वही.
सारे जानवर और पता नहीं क्या
वही.
क्या machines आ गई.
वही.
Who the hell is this
Yeah.
guy? But Thanos,
Yeah.
they made an amazing character.
Yeah, the first one. The
Yes.
second Thanos 2, quote unquote, was just like, कि हाँ, I'm evil. The first one was great. Actually, great. Let's go get ahead of us again.
Well, let's not get ahead.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So, the next movie. Do we have anything else to say about Avengers 1?
No, I guess we got it covered. pretty
Okay.
much.
So the next movie was Iron Man 3. I loved this movie and I still do because it wasn't about Iron Man, it was about Tony Stark. Almost
Yes.
the entire movie he was without his armor. So I loved Iron Man 3 because it was about Tony Stark, not Iron Man. पूरे मूवी में आर्मर था ही नहीं और लास्ट में जब आर्मर था तो सारे आ गए थे. That was crazy. I loved that movie. What do you like about Iron Man 3?
Here, Iron Man 3, like you said,
Yeah.
the fact that we got to know the character more
Yeah.
closely.
Yeah.
It was more about Tony Stark, like you said,
Yeah.
than about the man in the suit, right?
Hmm.
And who was the villain in that one?
It was the Aldrich Krillian. He was supposed to be the Mandarin. He had the fire powers.
Yeah.
He could
And
regenerate his
by
body and
the-
shit
by
and
the-
spill
by
out
the
fire.
end of this movie,
Yeah.
even Pepper,
Yeah, Pepper. She got the powers, but she got removed. Yeah.
she got removed exactly.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
she never got to use any of that, right?
No, she removed the
Maybe it was-
powers by surgery or some
Okay,
shit.
she got it removed.
Yeah.
All right. See, there are a few bits that I'm missing here
Yeah,
and
yeah.
there.
I've seen every MCU movie at least 5 to 6 times. Every.
Oh, that's why.
Except Thor: The Dark World. Let's don't talk about it.
when the hell is it gonna come out?
I think it's next. Yeah, so in Iron Man 3,
believe-
Iron Man 3 was amazing.
I believe Natalie Portman has a huge role to play in that one.
Yeah, she has a huge role. She has the red stone in her, the reality stone,
Yeah,
ether.
which is why I am
Yeah.
kind of excited. about
Oh.
it. More excited.
Well, I
Yes.
have some stuff to tell you, some theories I have. So yeah, I loved Iron Man 3.
She becomes Thor in that.
No.
She's the one who
No,
takes
no,
the
no.
hammer.
No,
in
no,
that.
no. It will happen soon,
Yeah,
I
but
guess.
what would-
It will happen in Thor: Love and
Dark
Thunder.
World-
The next one, which is coming in 2023 or 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
But hasn't he made somebody else the caretaker of Asgard? What would Thor do
Asgard
after
is
that?
destroyed,
Remember
brother.
in Endgame, it is
He
destroyed, I know
made
that.
Valkyrie.
But
Valkyrie.
Asgard
That's
is not a
Valkyrie.
place,
That's
remember?
Valkyrie.
Valkyrie, yeah.
Yeah, that's Valkyrie.
Asgard is not a place,
It's the
as
people.
he
Yeah,
says,
yeah, it's the
as he
people.
famously says, right?
Yeah.
It's
So yeah,
this dialogue.
yeah,
I'll tell you what.
yeah.
There are some dialogues that are picked straight away from books.
History. Yeah,
So there was
I know.
this one king
Hmm.
of England who, at a time when England was about to be smashed by France,
Yeah,
all right, so he fought with his handful of the people, and he said that, so what if the lands are destroyed? England is not the
yeah,
land, England is the people.
yeah,
This here where we stand is
yeah,
England,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So this line has been picked
yeah.
from history and has
Yeah.
been used in so
That's
many
that's
places.
really good. Yeah. You like anything else in Iron Man 3? Or should we move on?
No, we can move ahead.
Okay. So you said she had the stone inside her, the Infinity Stone,
Hmm.
okay?
Yeah.
So in Endgame, we saw Thor and Rocket, okay, gone there to get the stone. So imagine she was sleeping in the Asgard, and a
Uh-huh.
raccoon came and
Uh-huh.
put a stick inside her and sucked something out of her and just ran away.
Yes.
And after a few minutes, Captain America came to you. The Captain America came to you and put that inside you again.
Crazy.
Like that can be an entire series, you know, when Cap go back in time to return every single stone. He meets Red Stone
Yes.
and everything, Red Skull and everything, yeah.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Yeah. But that movie was shit, bro. Thor 2. I didn't
Yeah,
like it a
yeah,
bit.
yeah,
And
yeah.
you know what?
I
took my friends for that movie on my birthday.
feel for you, man.
Yeah.
But Ragnarok was amazing.
Oh, that's crazy. We'll come to it, bro. It's one of my favorite in MCUs.
Anyway, so what comes next? Is
Captain America
Winter
2.
Soldier?
Winter Soldier.
Winter Soldier.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's great.
I
That's a great
was
movie.
Blown away. There's this
Yeah.
scene where Fury
Yeah, yeah,
is
yeah. Yeah,
trying to run away from Bucky,
Yeah.
the Winter Soldier,
yeah.
and his car overturns.
Yeah.
Although I must say, Fury himself does all that he could
Yeah.
to survive.
Yeah.
Okay, he gives a good fight,
Yeah.
a really good fight.
Yeah.
But then, come on, he's just an old man with an
Yeah,
eye
yeah.
patch, right? He's the brains, not the brawn.
I really don't understand how the fuck he controls himself from not saying motherfucker every 2 seconds. Yeah.
You know, we can do one about
Yeah, Pulp. Yeah.
Pulp
Yeah, and
Fiction.
Tarantino in general.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Yeah.
Oh god, that is another cult classic.
Yeah.
Anyway, so his car is
Yeah,
overturned.
yeah.
He is inside. the
Oh,
car
I
and-
know what you're gonna go at. Yeah. He
Ah,
cuts a
that
fucking
was-
hole in the road with a
Yeah.
laser. How that's possible? That's Star Tech, bro, probably.
But when Winter Soldier is walking towards that car,
Yeah.
I could literally feel
Yeah.
the fear
Yeah.
that the character Fury must have been
Yeah.
feeling.
That's
Okay.
the what great direction does. Like that's Russo's.
That's Russo's.
Yeah.
And every time
Yeah.
Bucky,
Yeah.
sorry,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
every time Winter Soldier walks in
Yeah.
that movie,
Yeah.
I have that feeling that something
Yeah.
crazy is going to happen, right?
And now I'm like,
And-
when I see him in Endgame and Infinity War, क्या है भाई इससे डरते
क्या
थे
है भाई? Exactly.
कैप्टन अमेरिका से भी
Exactly.
कमजोर है ये
हाँ.
भाई. But the action, bro,
yeah.
the knife one, you remember when they were hand-to-hand
Ah,
battle
yes,
with the
yes,
knife?
yes, yes.
Holy shit, crazy,
यार, their action choreography is amazing. And
amazing. Yeah,
एक्शन कोरियोग्राफी में सबसे ज्यादा काम कैप्टन अमेरिका के ऊपर हुआ है
yeah,
क्योंकि उसके मोस्टली बिकॉज ही वाज जस्ट अ
yeah.
मैन विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
उसको सारी फाइट्स फिजिकल
Hand-to-hand fights. Yeah,
हैंड टू हैंड कॉम्बैट
Yeah.
रिमेंबर दैट लिफ्ट सीन
yeah,
That
yeah.
fight in the
Oh,
दैट इज
Amazing.
क्रेजी यार आई कीप
and they turned the entire scene into its head in Endgame. Hail Hydra.
यस
Yeah. Like Steve was like, I'm not going through this bullshit again. Yeah.
no
Yeah, that's character progression actually. He matured over time. Yeah.
to be able to he matured he also
Yeah.
matured
Yeah.
because let's not forget that this guy was from the 40s, right?
Yeah.
So when he first joined, when the first Avenger movie happened,
Yeah.
whenever somebody used a swear word,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Captain
Yeah, I know,
America
I
was
know, I
like
know.
language.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
And the,
Tony
by
made
the
so
end
much
one,
fun of
he's
it.
looking at his own ass and being like, "That's
Ah.
America's ass."
That's America's ass. Not bad.
Yeah,
So yeah, so his character grew,
yeah.
but I really
And
liked.
another great thing, about this franchise being so long is not just the characters grew, you also grew with them.
Precisely.
Yeah.
That is something that happened to me also with Harry Potter.
Oh, I'd never watched Harry Potter, bro. I
You've
was
not watched
never
it?
into it.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, but when I believe the first movie came out in 2000. Okay,
Yeah.
I was what? I was the exact same age that you were in when you watched the first.
Avengers. Oh, I see the parallel.
All right.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I read all the books. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I grew with that book,
Yeah.
and so did the characters. That was amazing. But yeah,
Yeah,
with
that's the
Captain
great part
America,
about a franchise. Like you grow with the characters.
precisely.
Yeah.
So that is
Hmm.
definitely amazing.
Like that's
And
why people from the 80s and the 90s love Star Wars.
precisely.
Yeah.
मेरे को कभी समझ में नहीं आया
Yeah,
कि यार
same,
ये
same.
मतलब क्या है?
Like
Jar
in
Jar
India,
Binks
we
और
saw
पता नहीं-
Star Wars when, like, after getting the internet and everything, when we are much
Yeah,
older.
yeah,
We saw all
yeah.
the 6 parts like in a bench. We didn't wait for like 5-6 years for every movie.
So now you're absolutely right in saying this because I never actually,
Yeah.
I never thought about it like this.
Yeah.
That these people,
Yeah,
the oldies now,
yeah,
those who are in their 40s, 50s,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
were the teenagers
yeah,
in
yeah.
the 80s.
When the Star
right?
Wars came.
Yeah, and these people they swear by Star Wars.
Yeah,
So yeah, that I can understand. Maybe
Hmm.
a decade later, our kids. will be
yeah.
like,
When the next big
what
thing
is-
hits,
Ah,
they not gonna understand MCU. Like, what's the big
they
deal?
won't. They
Yeah.
won't. They won't. But I believe MCU is also trying to mature. Like
Yeah,
you
it
said,
will
that
evolve.
there's
Like,
gonna be
it's
another
Disney,
phase.
bro. Disney owned everything pretty much. So yeah.
Okay, moving on.
Hmm.
What came next?
Uh, okay, we were right. Iron Man, then Thor: The Dark World, then Captain America, then Guardians came.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
They were the coolest superheroes. And
Yeah.
they were the most reckless,
Like
irresponsible
nobody
superheroes.
knew who the fuck were Guardians of the Galaxy at that time. I didn't watch that movie till 2016, I guess. I was like,
also-
who the fuck are they? I don't care.
Yeah. It just felt like, ooh, I'm not interested.
Never heard of these
Chris,
kids. Yeah.
Chris Pratt was not even big back then.
Yeah,
was
he
not a-
wasn't.
was
He
not
was big.
right?
He was technically big, but not a big star.
technically,
Yeah.
technically, he was much bigger
Yeah, yeah.
before he started. But
Yeah.
yeah, he was big, but he was not big.
Yeah.
Right? So I was like, okay, nahi yaar, I don't know. Like,
Yeah,
there's so much in the MCU universe, and
yeah.
you know,
Sometimes
when
you're
get
like, just skip
invested in
this
a-
one. Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
when you get invested in a certain characters,
Yeah.
and then you want to see more of them, and
yeah.
then you
You don't
come across,
get a new character. You're like, bhai,
ah,
kya hai,
तो
bhai?
like क्या है ये?
Yeah.
Right. So it was like that with me.
Yeah.
But when I watched it, oh my god, it was such a
It was a ride,
It
bro.
was-
It was a fun
it
ride.
Was a, yeah, it was a fun ride.
Like,
Precisely.
The
And I
characters,
enjoyed every
everything.
moment of it.
And you know what? Like, Drax also had the Hulk treatment, if you think about it. He started with like a brute, the muscle guy, and then turned into a toddler.
yes.
Yeah.
That cute.
You know, that's Dave Batista, by the way, from WWE.
I know.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Can't say that.
Yeah. Crazy movie.
He's
And they hired fucking Vin Diesel to say one word. 3 words.
I am Groot.
That's it. Yeah, Bradley Cooper. Crazy.
He gave the voice to the raccoon.
Rocket, yeah, Rocket Raccoon. Rabbit.
And oh god, I am not a rabbit.
Yeah, that's
Raccoon.
crazy. Yeah, lovely. Okay, so next movie on our list is. Do you have anything else about Guardian you want to talk about?
No.
No.
Pretty
okay.
much. It was fun.
It was
That's
fun.
it.
Yeah, it was
Ah.
like it's a movie you can play anytime, any day, and you can have a good time watching it. It's that movie.
Yes.
Then came in Avengers: Age of Ultron.
Age of Ultron.
Yeah,
There are no strings on.
yeah. But you think about it, it was more like a week of Ultron, weekend of Ultron.
Weekend of Ultron.
But that wouldn't
True.
sound badass. Cool.
Didn't
Yeah.
last, but I would have no problems in saying that
Yeah.
out of the three Avenger movies,
Yeah.
this was the weakest. Age
Well,
of Ultron.
no, I think it was like not the weakest. The first one was weakest, but because if you think about it, at the time it didn't make much sense. ठीक है? Because it was setting up a lot for the future. If you think about it,
Yes,
it was setting
it
up
was.
Civil War. It was setting up Ragnarok. It was setting up Endgame.
Yeah, that ways if you think like that,
Yeah.
I agree.
Like
Then
it
I
didn't
agree,
make sense back then.
but yeah, there it had its moments.
The
Yeah,
first one, have you watched the recently? Have you watched the first Avengers like in recent years?
not really, but
Go
ask
back and
me.
watch it. See how corny it is. Just see how
Okay,
cheesy is it. Like
I just
first of all,
watched
the
it back in
lighting is
12.
very bright. It's like a fucking telenovela
Hmm.
because Whedon. No, not it was Joss Whedon, right? Yeah, it was
Yeah.
Whedon. It's very comical if you think about it right now. That time it was fun. Age of
Well,
Ultron was nice, bro. If you think about it in
no,
retrospect.
Age of
Yeah.
Ultron was nice, but I felt like I enjoyed.
Yeah, it's a
Maybe,
popular opinion that it was the
yeah,
weakest. Yeah, it's a popular
yeah.
opinion. I know that. Yeah,
So,
but it set it
but
up a lot.
but there are some scenes like
Yeah,
the creation of Vision
yeah, that's crazy.
and the scene where he casually picks up the hammer and is
Yeah,
like,
everyone is
"Shall
like, what the
we-"
fuck?
What the?
Yeah.
But I'm really disappointed with the treatment of Vision.
You know
मतलब
what
उस
my
character-
favorite
जब
scene?
उसको
Yeah,
बनाया
yeah,
वहाँ पे
yeah,
अल्ट्रॉन में
yeah,
लगा कि यार ये तो सबकी ऐसी ऐसी कर देगा,
हाँ,
right?
yeah.
After that, this guy did nothing.
No, that's a thing in everything. Like even if you watch anime or a cartoon show or anything, when a character first comes in, like Winter Soldier, when the character first shows up, he's the most powerful guy. He's the badass. He can do anything. And after a few seasons or a few episodes, he's like, yeah, normal cast.
No, I agree.
Yeah.
Listen, I agree to that.
Yeah,
But you cannot compare a character like Vision with a compare like Winter Soldier.
yeah,
Winter Soldier is, no matter what, is
yeah,
basically human.
yeah.
Who's been this? I mean, उसका नाम ही Vision है यार.
Yeah, he has the
He can
power
walk through doors.
of a Infinity
He can-
Stone, of Thor, of Iron Man.
Yeah. So he has almost.
Yeah,
If you just start looking at
yeah,
the powers that he has,
yeah,
I mean, उसका जैसे system का वो हम लोग देखते हैं ना configuration.
yeah.
लैपटॉप में क्या क्या
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
तो look at the kind of powers that this man has
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
and on top of that he's got the AI of,
Yeah, Jarvis.
right?
Yeah,
So he was much more powerful. He
Yeah.
should have got a little more respect. I mean, बाद में in the end game,
yeah.
it is what's her name?
Wanda, Scarlet Witch.
Wanda.
Yeah,
Wanda is the one who's saving his ass every
yeah.
now and
No,
then.
she's one of the strongest in the MCU, bro.
She is
Yeah.
obviously the strongest. I'm not denying that. But somebody like Vision should not have
Yeah.
needed as saving every now and then.
Yeah, that's true. That's
That's what
true.
I'm saying.
That's true, actually. But they
So, yeah.
like the thing about Marvel is they try to justify every single thing. So I think the justification is, in the very first time we see in Infinity War Vision, he's straight up injured, stabbed through his chest,
Yeah,
like from the beginning, from the get go.
precisely.
So
yeah,
that can
that's
be a
it.
reason.
And that was a kind of he was caught unawares.
Yeah,
एकदम से उसके
yeah,
अंदर
yeah.
से वो डाल दिया,
So
right?
that can be a reason.
Well, that could be a reason, but the
Yeah.
man had an infinity stone in him.
You know what's my favorite scene in Age of Ultron?
Which is
Hawkeye giving the motivational speech to Scarlet Witch in a shed.
yes.
That's so self-aware. There's a war
It is so
going. The
self-aware.
city is flying. We are fighting an army of robots, and I am a
Uh-huh.
guy with bow and arrows.
With a
Nothing
bunch
makes
of
sense.
arrows.
That's so self. You know, after that movie, Hawkeye became like I started liking
The cool
Hawkeye
guy.
a bit. Yeah,
yeah, he became the cool guy.
yeah.
Exactly.
He was
उसके
self-aware.
पहले मेरे को लगता था कि ये क्या है, मतलब
वही.
कि जैसे नागराज वगैरह के कॉमिक्स में जो साइड किक हुआ करते
Yeah,
थे
yeah,
ना,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
ये वैसा लगता था मेरे
हाँ, yeah.
Technically ये
Pretty
था.
much. Yeah, pretty much he
बट
is.
इसके कैरेक्टर को थोड़ा सा
Yeah,
और
self-aware,
और
basically.
अच्छा डायलॉग
Yeah.
और ये सब दिखाया
Yeah.
उसको, राइट? So that was good. That
Yeah.
was really good.
And it's Jeremy Renner, so yeah.
Jeremy, yeah.
Imagine
मेरा ही
Jeremy
था.
Renner is playing a side character in your series. That big a franchise are. Yeah. Crazy. Okay, so the next movie on of our list is Ant-Man. Paul Rudd,
Ant-Man.
Evangeline
I
Lilly.
enjoyed that. I enjoyed that as well.
Yeah.
Evangeline Lilly.
Yeah.
I had just finished.
And
watching Lost.
also, what's the old guy? I forgot his name. Sorry. Who is father?
Oh,
Michael Douglas.
Douglas.
Michael Dougal. Wait.
Dougal.
Yeah.
Dougal साहब.
Yeah.
उसमें साइंटिस्ट बने हुए हैं.
Yeah.
उन्होंने टेक्नोलॉजी निकाली है.
Yeah. And he hates
And-
Starks.
He hates the Starks. Yeah, because
That's great.
because
He's
like here's this guy who does everything for himself.
I have a theory,
right?
you know. In Endgame, we saw that Captain America went to his lab and stole his vials, right? So I have a theory. He blamed that to Edward Stark, his father. He stole his serums.
It could be. Yeah, it could be.
Yeah.
When you see it according to the
Yeah.
time
Timeline, yeah.
unfolding,
He was in the same facility at that day.
Precisely. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
He very much
That's
formed a
what we
theory
should
that
do.
he stole his serums, his technology.
One of the good scenes. One of
Yeah.
the good scenes in the
Yeah.
like I'm again getting ahead.
It was a fun movie. It
It-
doesn't had anything serious to do with. Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah.
And it had that the Spanish guy.
Oh,
with his
yeah.
friend. There's
Your
this
favorite.
scene where he narrates.
He tells the story and the story plays out. It's really good. Yeah.
So Ant-Man was one movie, na?
Yeah.
It's like बहुत सारा heavy stuff देख लिया है.
Yeah, it's really fun. Yeah.
अब थोड़ा chill
Like,
करता है.
Yeah. It's not like Guardian.
Ant-Man was that.
Yeah.
And Paul Rudd's character also is
Yeah.
just like that.
Yeah. And Paul.
very chilled out.
Yeah. And everybody
Yeah.
knows Paul Rudd doesn't age.
He doesn't.
Yeah. He's in the quantum
The
realm.
man just doesn't age.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Crazy. You know, there's a really good video on YouTube. There was an interview for Ant-Man and the Wasp, ठीक है? And the cast was asked to ask कि Thor के hammer का नाम क्या है, ठीक है? So everyone was like Mjolnir. Paul Rudd was Jonathan.
Oh yeah. That I this movie Ant-Man, it came like a happy surprise for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't really following कि अब कौन सी movie आने वाली है.
Yeah.
But when I saw this, I was like, okay, Ant-Man, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? कुछ भी बना रहे हैं.
Hmm.
But when I watched that movie,
Yeah.
it was amazing.
You know,
it was amazing.
the story about Ant-Man. Edgar Wright, you know, right? Edgar Wright.
Mm-hmm.
He was supposed to direct this movie Ant-Man.
No, I wasn't.
So
aware of
you
this.
know, Ant-Man was supposed to be in the first Avengers in 2012.
Okay.
His movie was supposed to come out in the phase 1, but the creative
Alright.
process of Edgar Wright took so much time. Then he later got fired, and then some truth made that movie. But if there was some footage leaked of Edgar Wright's Ant-Man, Edgar Wright's,
Okay.
it was
Mhm.
much better.
All right.
Yeah. And after that, Marvel decided not to fire the Weirdo, embrace the Weirdo, and then we had Taika Waititi.
Ah.
Yeah.
And then we had Black Panther.
Yeah. So the next movie after Ant-Man. So the phase 2 ends here.